Okay, so that was free gift /
freegifts/OTO.htm.
And the last one was?
There's actually two. You have a download page just for the people that wanted the free stuff, which would be liztomey.com/freegift/DL3648.htm. Just something obscure that I make up so nobody can guess what the download page is and not give me their opt-in. I don't so much care if they get my free stuff for free, so it's not really an issue, but when you have paid stuff, you want to protect that stuff. And this one is liztomey.com/freegift/OTODL7932.htm. And you guys can come up here and look at it later and copy whatever you want down.
Okay, thank you.
Mm-hmm. All right, guys, is it time for lunch? Nope. Break? Nope. Me to do resale rights stuff?
That's it for this segment.